Okay, today I'm doing a timing chain on a 2006 Nissan Frontier 4.0 liter. I looked online and see how to take the crank off and to take the crank bolt off loose, should I say. But there's not really a video of how to take it off. I'm going to show you a quick video of what you need to do to get it off. So first of all, what the easy way to do is, there's two ways to do it. The first and easy way to do it is to get you a impact. I got a Milwaukee battery operated M18 impact and a socket. This is a special socket. It's a 3/4 or 19 millimeter socket I used to remove Honda and Acura crank bolt along with that impact, and the bus is so thick that it keeps the torque within the impact. So when I use it to bust the crank bolt loose on Honda and Acura, it takes like 3 seconds, and I believe you can use the air impact with it too if it's strong enough, but this impact is stronger than the air impact. So this happened to be the correct size for the crank bolt on this 2006 Nissan Frontier 4.0 liter, and I was able to put it on there, and I broke it loose within 3 seconds. But of course, to get some room, you would have to remove the radiator, and it's not that hard to remove the radiator. As you can see, I got the timing chain cover off. The reason why I'm doing the timing chain, just for your information, is because the guy right here, the plastic guy, the chain is eating into it, so it's hitting the tensioner right here, so it's making that rattling noise every time you start up the truck. So I'm doing it for my customer. And another way to do it, if you don't have the impact, is to use a breaker bar. But in order to use the breaker bar, you have to remove this air filter box, so that way you can rest the breaker bar on the fender here with the socket. And then once you do that, you bump the engine a little bit. Just give it a tap. Put the key in, turn it on, and then tap it until the engine turns a little bit. If you're afraid that the engine will start, you can remove the fuel pump relay, but I'm not going into that. But that's what I did with my Nissan Frontier 2002. I bumped the engine or the starter, and I broke the crank bolt loose. But in order to torque it down or tighten it, if you don't have that impact and that socket, that's another story. So, but I just want to share with you this information, how to get the crank bolt loose off the Nissan Frontier 2006 4.0 liter. Just get you one of these socket. It's a special socket. It's nice and thick. It doesn't vibrate. I try it with another socket that I had, and with this impact, it doesn't do anything but just vibrate. But once I put that on, 3 seconds later, I broke it loose. So it should work with your air gun. Your air gun strong enough, it should break it loose. That's the easy way to get it off. And if you can't get the crank bolt loose, then you pretty much at a standstill until you get it loose before you do anything else. So I hope this video will help, and I got a new timing chain and the guides and tension and everything coming in tomorrow, which is a Wednesday. So I'm gonna be taking everything off and put it back on. Hope this will help, and good luck.